Guys, I'm 𝗪𝗆𝗆, diamond distributor with Live Good, and I thought I would come on here and talk about the compensation plan for a few minutes just because I feel like people don't get it. And I know they don't get it because we've been doing this for 2.5 years. So I saw this 2.5 years ago and I didn't believe it either. I saw a compensation plan that was paying out quarters and I thought, you can't make money in this. And then I saw the match pay and that changed my entire life. Changed my entire life. Most people are looking at this as a way to make some extra money doing nothing. And to be honest, you can. I really truly believe that this compensation plan allows a person to make up to $2,047.50 without sponsoring people or selling products because of our force matrix. The reality of that is it takes a very, very long time to make that much money. Can it still be done? Of course, the compensation plan says that it can. So a compensation plan is a legally binding document that if this stuff happens, you can earn this much money. But the reality of our compensation plan is that this is a long-term game, very long-term, not short-term. So if you're trying to join a program and make a bunch of money right off the bat, this isn't for you. To be honest, I'm just going to be straight honest with you about this compensation plan. See, the reason why is that we have two separate comp plans in one. The first side is a unilevel, meaning it's you and then as wide as you can build this way. That's the whole compensation plan is just you and building as wide as you possibly can. Don't worry about what they all do. The unilevel is the fast starts in this business, meaning that when you bring in Bob gives 50% of whatever he paid to your position. So if he joins for $49, you make $25 every single time, over and over and over again. And you want to do that as fast as possible. You want to put in a minimum 100 people as fast as possible. Once you do that, the following month that they pay their membership again, their $9.95, then they go in the matrix. Once they're in the matrix, the second month they're in, then you make a quarter off of their $9.95, and that $9.95 goes down 15 generations, and a quarter comes out for every generation. What that means for you is, as it builds month to month, every month somebody gets started in the business. The second month they go into the matrix and pay the quarter a piece. The next month, the people who got started between those 2 months stack. And then the month after that, they stack again. And then the month after that, they stack again. And there's this compound effect that most people won't ever pay attention to because they're chasing some immediate gratification. Live Good's compensation plan is designed to pay out people at the highest levels, the people that stay in the longest. So you have to come into Live Good with the mindset that I'm going to be here forever. Until they close the doors, I'm going to be a member forever. Now look at it this way. Let's say that you just sign up today. You go up to my link, you go to my bio, you click on the 𝗪𝗆𝗆𝗆.com links. You just go down to where it says how to earn without bugging friends and family. You click that link, you watch the video, you get started, and then you sit there forever and you don't do anything. Let's say it takes 5 years to max out the comp plan, that you get paid every month, month after month. It may start off with a quarter. It may start off with 50 cents. The next month it may go to $2. The next month it may go to $6. The month after month you start making money. And then all of a sudden you're making $500 a month. Then you're making $700 a month. Then you're making $1,000 a month. And it's been 3 years. And the most it's cost you to be part of this business is $300. And you're making $1,000 every single month, not year. It's only cost you $100 a year, $99. And you are literally making $1,000 a month. So that's $12,000 a year, and you only paid $99 to be part of it because you stayed in and allowed the force matrix to work. What happens when you hit 5 years and you've got $2,047 a month coming in? Now, if by this time you haven't told everyone about this, I kind of feel like you might be the most selfish human being on the planet, because you could double that amount when you just add 2 people. This compensation plan is designed for long-term wealth building, not short-term mindsets of people who get started and then quit. So I'm just being honest to all of you. If you don't understand this compensation plan, it might not be for you. But don't miss it because you're ignorant. Seriously, I'm being direct. Don't miss the ability to make long-term income because you don't understand it. Get started and let it figure it out. Like, let it figure the whole thing out. Let the whole thing it's going to cost you nothing. $100 a year? Get out of here. This is going to change your family, your personal financial future forever, long term, but you have to get started. So, I'm Curry Russell, Diamond with Live Good, and I'm proof that this absolutely works. Talk to you soon.